London is a paradise for students looking forward to making it big in their careers. Rathbone Place W1T student accommodation located in the heart of the city, waiting for the perfect ones who hustled enough to secure their place here. Rathbone Place W1T offers you a wide variety of ensuite rooms to choose from. In each type, you get a shared bathroom, your own private bedroom with a cozy bed, a study table, and a spacious wardrobe to keep your belongings organized. For cooking enthusiasts, shared kitchens are also available in each ensuite, giving you that extra spice to get along with your friends. As this residence is located inside a hub of universities, Sotheby's Institute of Art, the University of Law, and many more are not even a 10-minute walk from the accommodation. For enthusiastic souls, the British Museum and the Photographer's Art Gallery are a few blocks away. The Newman Arms and the Nordic Bar are also in the same lane as this place. Sounds perfect, right? Then don't wait on this opportunity. Visit amberstudent.com now and secure your home today.